Right, so I've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and let me show you how to take burst mode shots or burst mode photos on this camera. So first things first, you want to look at the camera mode. So let's go into the camera mode, and then let's switch to photo mode. So just swipe and go into photo mode. And now in photo mode, by default, when you press that shutter, it takes one photo, just like that, right? But if you want to take burst mode, then you can tap at the bottom here, and then you can see the images per second. So that is off, and that's why it's taking only one photo. Now, if you want burst mode, you can choose how many pictures you want to take in one shot. So for instance, let's say I want 6 pictures. All right, so now that I've set it like that, when I press the shutter button, you can see it's taking those burst shots quickly, but it's taking a bit of time as well. That's because we have the L photo format. If you go to M, which is I think medium, then you can make it take 10 photos in 1 second, like that. All right, so once you set it like that, let's try and take another photo. So you might have seen in the top left corner how many photos it takes. So let's do that again. 10 photos. So now when we go back and look, you can see all the photos, and you can scroll through each one of them. So you can see 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, and you can pick the one you want probably as your favorite and make it your favorite. So now when you go look at the list, you can see that one has our favorite. So that is basically how to take burst shot photos on your DJI Action 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.